Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NomadsBits. Today we are going to cover the topic types of computer. Basically, we categorize types of computer into three parts based on size and power, based on purpose, based on data handling. In category based on size and power, we have types of computer like supercomputer, which is very fast and most powerful type, used for scientific simulation, weather forecasting, nuclear research, and AI training. These are extremely expensive, and example of this type of supercomputer are Fugaku, made in Japan, Summit, made in USA. And the second type is mainframe computer. Large computers designed to handle millions of transactions and support thousands of users simultaneously using banks, railways, government, insurance companies. Example are IBM System 360, IBM Z series. Mini computer, which is also known as mid-range computer, is smaller than mainframes but larger than PCs, used in small business, labs, manufacturing. Example are PDP-11 VAX series. Fourth type is microcomputer, personal computer PC, smallest, cheap, meant for one user. Examples: desktops, laptops. Modern PCs are based on microprocessor. These are the fourth generation. This type of microcomputer, like microcomputer, does not develop in third generation. It develops on fourth generation onwards. Workstation, high performance computer for technical or scientific work, more powerful than PC but less than a mainframe. Example, used by engineers, designers, and researchers. So these are the types of computer in category based on size and power. Next category we have based on purpose. General purpose computer can perform many different tasks: browsing, gaming, programming, office work. Examples are PCs and laptops. And special purpose computer designed for specific tasks only. Examples: ATM, traffic light controller, washing machine controller, spacecraft computers. And at last category is based on data handling. Example in types of computer are analog. First we have analog computer, works with continuous data. Examples: temperature, pressure, speed. And the examples of analog computer are old flight simulators, oscilloscope computer. Digital computer works with binary 0 and 1. All modern computers are digital computers like PCs, laptop, and supercomputers. Hybrid computer, which is combination of analog and digital. Example are hospital ICU machines, measure continuous signals like heartbeat, processed digitally. So these are the types of computer which we divide in various categories. Now let's see the types of computers that we use in third generation. During the third generation, integrated circuit-based computer, we mainly had mainframe computers. These computers is more dominant type in this era. These computers are very large, used by governments, banks, railways, and big companies. Example are, as we know, IBM System 360, made in 1964, one of the most famous mainframes. Honeywell 6000 series, CTC 6600, often called the first supercomputers, also in third generation. And we have mini computers, smaller, cheaper than mini frames, allow medium-sized business, labs, and universities to afford computing power. Examples are PDP-8 by Digital Equipment Corporation and VAX series, later on VAX series. And at last, in this era, like in this third generation era, we start building supercomputers. So we have first supercomputer. And here also I mentioned there, like in third generation also, so the birth of supercomputer. Example are CDC 6600, made in 1964, world fastest computer at that time. Microcomputers not yet. Microcomputers not built in third generation. So personal computers came in fourth generation, mid 1970, after the invention of microprocessor, Intel 4004 in 1971, and 4-bit processor. So in third generation, we do not have PCs or laptop exist. Only these types of computer like mainframe computer, mini computer, and early stage supercomputers has been developed in third generation era. So in third generation, we mainly use mainframes and mini computers with some early supercomputers. Microcomputers, PC, desktop, laptops started only in fourth generation. Supercomputers were first developed during the third generation, 1965 to 1975. Supercomputers in the third generations are CDC 6600, made in 1964, as we discussed earlier, built by Control Data Corporation. It's a company name. CDC is a company that built CDC 6600 supercomputer, designed by Seymour Cray, also known as the father of supercomputing. Widely considered the first successful supercomputer, could perform 3 million instructions per second, much faster than mainframes of the same era, used for scientific research, nuclear simulations, and weather forecasting. Second type is CDC 7600, made in 1969, successor to the 6600, also by Seymour Cray, called the fastest computer in the world at that time. And the third type is ELIAC 4, made in 1970s, which was in experimental phase, developed in the USA for the military and research. One of the first parallel supercomputer used for multiple processors working together. What did third generation supercomputers use? They use integrated circuit made from transistors for logic switchings, resistors and capacitor for support circuits combined into logic gates and then larger modules. For example, CDC 6600 1964 used integrated circuit based computer, no microprocessor, and CDC 7600 1969 is still IC based. So these are the types of computer and examples of supercomputer, early stage supercomputer that we use in third generation era. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.